This video will be on implicit differentiation. Now that we have learned the basic techniques for calculating derivatives when the equation is given in terms of y, let's explore how to take the derivative when y is embedded in the equation. We start by taking the derivative in terms of x on both sides of the equation, and then isolate for dy dx in the end, and use chain rule to find the derivative in terms of y before finishing the isolation. If it's asking you to find the slope, you then plug in the given x and y values to find dy and dx, which will give you the slope. So let's start with an easy one. 3y cubed plus x squared equals 5. So now we start by taking the derivative with respect to x of everything. So you get d by dx of 3y cubed plus d by dx x squared equals d by dx of 5. So now you can break this down to get d by dx of 3y cubed plus the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, equals the derivative of 5, which is 0. So now that you have everything in terms of x, you need to take the derivative of y. To do this, you treat it just like a regular function. You take the 3 down, so you get 9y squared, but instead of leaving it just like that, you need to put dy dx at the end. So you would get 9y squared dy dx plus 2x equals 0. Now you need to isolate for dy dx. So first you would move the 2x over to get 9y squared equals dy dx equals 2x. You would then divide by 9y squared to get dy dx equals negative 2x over 9y squared. Now that we have finished an easier one, let's try one that's more difficult. In this equation, we have y in all but one term. We have x squared y plus 2x cubed y equals x plus y. We start with the same step. We take the derivative of everything with respect to x. D by dx x squared y plus d by dx 2x cubed y equals d by dx x plus d by dx y. So now anything that is in terms of x we can take the derivative of, and anything in terms of y we leave as dy dx. So we get 2xy, and in these ones here we need to do a product rule because it's x squared times y. So we get 2xy plus dy dx x squared is the first one, plus the second one turns into 6x squared y plus dy dx of 2x cubed equals the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y is dy by dx. Now that we have this, we move all the terms that have dy by dx over to one side and all the terms that do not include that to the other side. That gives us 2xy plus 6x squared y minus 1 equals dy by dx minus dy by dx x squared minus dy by dx of 2x cubed. Now that we have this, we can factor a dy by dx out of the right side of the equation. So you get your 2xy plus 6x squared y minus 1 equals dy by dx times 1 minus x squared minus 2x cubed. Now that you know this, you can rearrange for just dy. You just divide 1 minus x squared minus 2x cubed by the other side of the equation, giving you your final answer of dy dx equals 2xy plus 6x squared y minus 1 over 1 minus x squared minus 2x cubed. Now, if this question was asking for the slope, it would give you an x and y coordinate point. You would take these two numbers, your x and y coordinates, and you would plug them into x and y respectively, therefore giving you your slope at that given point.